Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will learn about logical and assignment operators in C++. Logical operators helps us make decisions by combining conditions, while assignment operators are used to assign and update variables very efficiently. So operators are special symbols that perform operations on variables or values. In this session, we will focus on logical operators and assignment operators, both of which are used extensively in C++. So coming to logical operators, let's begin with logical operators. These operators evaluate conditions and always return either true or false. C++ provides three different types of logical operators: and, or, not. These operators are commonly used in decision-making statements such as if, while, and for loop. Next is logical and. Here this operator returns true only when both conditions are true. If even one condition is false, the entire expression becomes false. And example, in this example, the student passes only if the mark are at least 40 and attendance is at least 75%. Since both conditions are satisfied, the output is true. So the C++ displays the value as 1. And this is the example for R. Here a holiday is generated if it is either weekend or a holiday. Either the one condition is true, it results true. Next comes logical not operator. The not operator reverses a boolean value. It changes true to false and false to true. Not example, the variable logged in is false. Applying the not operator changes it to true. Combining logical operators. Logical operators can be combined to create more meaningful conditions. Parenthesis makes complex expressions easier to read and understand. Operator precedence. So next, when multiple logical operators are used together, C++ evaluates not first, followed by and finally or. Parenthesis can be used to change the order. Next is about the short circuit evaluation. C++ uses short circuit evaluation to improve efficiency. It stops evaluating an expression as soon as the final result is known. This is short circuit and. For the AND operator, if the first condition is false, the remaining conditions are not evaluated because overall result is already false. For OR, if the first condition is true, the C++ keeps evaluating the remaining conditions. Here is the practical example. And some common mistakes to be avoided. The common mistakes include confusing this AND with this double ampersand and using single equal to and double equal to, writing incorrect range conditions and forgetting that short circuit conditions may skip some function calls. Next is assignment operators. Now let's move on to this assignment operators. These operators assign values to variables and provide shorthand and for updating them. So types of assignment operators are listed here. Simple assignment, add and subtract, then store, multiply, divide, then store, reminder, bitwise, shift and store. All these are types of assignment operators. And here is the assignment operator that stores the value on the right hand side into the variable on the left hand side. This is addition assignment. Here is subtraction and multiplication assignment. Next comes the division and modulus assignment. And here is the bitwise assignment. The bitwise assignment operator combines bitwise operations with the assignment. These are mainly used in low-level programming and are less common in beginner-level applications. Here is the example for bitwise assignment. This example demonstrates how bits are set and toggled using bitwise operators. Next is about chained assignment. C++ allows multiple variables to be assigned the same value in single statement. The assignment happens from right to left. Next is assignment as an expression. Here the assignment operations also returns the assigned value. The feature enables chained assignment but not also explains why accidentally using equal to inside conditions can cause bugs. Next is about combining logical and assignment operator. In real programs, logical operators are often used to make decisions, while assignment operators are used to update the variables based on those decisions. And here is a quick recap. To summarize, the logical operators helps evaluate conditions. Assignment operators helps to store and modify values efficiently. So both are fundamentals in C++ programming. So in this lecture, we learned logical operators, assignment operators, operator precedent, short circuit evaluation, common programming mistakes. These concepts are essential for writing efficient and reliable C++ programs. Thank you.